Hey guys, today's video we're going to be doing fire drill at a high school. This one is the high school that I attend for my last year here. This building has a notifier NFS 640, 642, 2640, whatever. It's got an NCA on it though, so it kind of looks like a 3030, but I can assure you it's a 640. It was originally spec'd to actually be a 320, but there was some issues, so it had to be turned into a 640. Anyways, it's going to be doing fire drill here today. This building is a 3-floor, almost 200,000 square foot building built of non-combustible construction, sprinklered building, and yeah, we have horn strobes for our notification appliances, basic notifier system, NBG12LXs, 851s and 951s in the newer section, advanced in the original 2015 section, L series in the 2020 edition. We won't drag this intro in on any longer. We're going to initiate the system here pretty shortly. For the fire drill, it is, well, that says 9:29, but I can tell you it's about 12 past 9. Fire drill is for 9:20 a.m. And students do know about it. We don't really do the surprise ones, which I think is unfortunate because these ones where they tell you about are almost useless when people are pre-evacuating and already got their stuff ready and stuff. It's not, what are you really doing a test of here? But anyways, not my call. I'm just here to ring the bells. Yeah, I think I'll do an outside one. I think there's 2 out here. I did the outdoor pull over there, so this time I'm gonna do this one here. Easier to start outside on the 3rd floor, that way you're not fighting the rush of people getting out. Then I can go in and do a brief walk around after. We won't get every single device, there's just not enough time. You'd have to do a 20-minute walk around at least, but yeah, we can try our best. One minute to go. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, everybody gets to know about it. Because there's one over there too, eh? There's one on that by the heat pump. They're all on high volume outside. Wake up, guys. Oh God, it's busy. Fuck that. Yeah, there's one on that side of the building too. Okay, that looks like the last person out down that way. I know. I think that strobe's dead. Hey! Pretty sure it's dead strobe. No. What? I don't know. Maybe they're doing walk arounds. Jamie, just give me a call when you want it off. outdoor horn out there too to wake up the neighbors. I'm recording this one at 60 frames per second. Hopefully it picks up the strobes better. What? Yeah. I don't know, how much more should I check? Ah, it's locked, whatever. Bathrooms all have strobe. Okay. I'll go shut her down. That is really loud up here. Hurry up. I can't hold the door all day. I don't want to lock you out. I'm trying to be a nice guy. But you walk slow. Oh yeah, I'll race you.
Oh, do we have to do something now?
No, it should reset fine after alarm. It's just not the trouble. Basketball court, level 3, addition. I don't like it when they name things addition, because then you'll have another addition in 20 years, and then you'll lose track of which one's the recent addition. I don't think addition should be used as a term. Maybe temporarily, but like not long term. I don't think it works very well.
When is it that we have to reset it out?
This one just won't reset after it's put into trouble. Like if I was to pull one of these off, yeah, alarm, it'll restore fine. After trouble, the resistor value isn't quite right here, so it's enough that when it's left alone it's fine, but if it's put into trouble it won't restore by itself. So you got to bump, can't remember which one, I think it's number 1 of the second bank, or maybe this one, probably that one. You got to bump the dip switch down to reset it. Guys, that's gonna be it for this drill. I know I didn't get around the whole school. You just can't. I tried to explain at the start of the video. It'd be a 30-minute walk around to check every strobe in these little back rooms and stuff. So, not really a possibility, but I give a general walk around every time. I'd kind of do my route a little bit differently. I try. So you end up kind of getting them all. Like this time I didn't go in either of the old gyms, the original ones, and I didn't go in the theater. I didn't go in any of the NLC, whatever it's called area. I didn't go to the field house or the portables. But I did go in the cafeteria, which I wouldn't usually do. So it's like you just kind of changed up each time a little bit. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. Any comments, questions, feel free to leave those down below. If you do enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you're interested, I have an Instagram account at Pickle700 for bonus content posted earlier than you'd see it on YouTube, that sort of thing. Oh yeah, and I filmed this one at 60 frames per second as far as the walk around, because my new phone actually lets me switch lenses while at 60 at 4K, which my old one didn't. It was limited to 1080p 60 to still switch cameras, or 4K 30, but now I can do 4K 60, so that's good. So hopefully the strobes show up a little bit better.